Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. We have two-in-one news to render, and this has to do with the fact that Imo State is already going through a lot, and Fulani herdsmen are not letting that state be. It's getting out of hand, and of course, Enugu State, the residents are crying over a lot of things, and this is not good news at all. Judging the fact that there's enough hardship already in the land, doubling it or increasing it all with this level of activities is worrisome. Well, before we go into the news proper, like and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You say by notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, barely 48 hours after Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma cried to President Muhammad Buhari for help over security situation in the state, UGM have again moved against another community in the state, bringing down some persons and injuring some. Many residents at the community that was brought down, that's Etekuru community in Ohaji Egbema local government area of Imo State, as at yesterday began to leave the community in their numbers as men UGM in motorcycle convey invaded the community and allegedly brought down many and damaged a lot of houses. It was gathered from Etekuru community that villagers have abandoned their homes and fled into the bush as a result of this move. The traditional ruler of the Etekuru community, Eze Kenneth Okereke, confirmed the move against them and said he was at the police station regarding the incident, but promised he would give the details of the move later. Yes, my community was moved against by UGM, and I will speak on it later. I am at the police station for now, he said. An eyewitness said he could not give the reason for this move, but said those who moved against them were demanding that the villagers should vacate. They didn't want to take the over the village. Let's continue with the news. He said they were shooting everywhere as they entered different sections of the village. We cannot have the exact number of people who are dead or injured, or the number of houses damaged. As you go, you see some people lying down and many houses destroyed. Tomorrow we will know the extent of the damage and the number of deaths. We will also know the number of the houses destroyed. As I'm talking to you, many people have fled the village into the bush and they sleep there. I don't think they will come back for now. Another witness, Apostle Don LM, linked the incident to the level of insecurity in the community and called on the relevant government and security agencies to ensure that there is security of lives and properties in the communities. It should be recalled, Imo all communities have been under several moves by UGM for the past few months, causing tension and loss of lives. With the Imo State Police Public Relations Officer was contacted, he confirmed that there was a move-in, adding that the command has commenced investigation into what happened. A source in the Imo State government said top government officials are meeting in the government house with security agencies to unravel the root cause of the continued insecurity situation, especially in the oil communities of the state. After the meeting, decisions will be taken. And quickly, in another news, the in Enugu people are not resting at all, as Enugu state government has raised the alarm over illegal circulation, distribution and sale of compromised dual purpose kerosene, that's DPK, and other related products to unsuspected residents of the state. In a statement by the special advisor to the government on information, Steve Oruro, the state government expressed dismay that this dangerous substance, surreptitiously marketed as genuine product to innocent residents, has already inflicted devastating fatalities and produced gory sights of injuries and horrific destruction of properties in Enugu State. Oruro added that the state government is concerned about the unfolding situation. To that effect, has directed the Enugu State Command of the Police Force, that's Nigerian Police Force, the Department of Petroleum Resources (DPR), and other related government agencies to swing into immediate action, investigate and arrest all the persons involved, either directly or remotely, in the illicit distribution or sales was of very highly perilous products. The special advisor disclosed that the state government extended its unalloyed commiserations to the victims of the dastardly act and their loved ones, and advised the general public to be profoundly wary of where they purchase DPK, that's kerosene, and other related products. The government therefore enjoins residents of the state to report any suspected peddlers of illegal products to the security agencies for immediate action. The poverty in the land is actually causing people to begin to have other forms of idea. Now look at what is happening. In Nigeria, we have several means of cooking or generating energy. We have the firewood, we have the coal, we have the kerosene for stove, we have the gas, and basically that's all majorly actually. Now for the firewood, you need to have enough space and you need to have access to bushes, and it's a bit difficult getting firewood in the city. I'm not saying it's totally out of it, you can get, but it's not so rampant. But the one that can easily be fetched and is not as expensive, though it's quite expensive now, as the gas, is the kerosene, where the common man at least can afford the stove, unlike the cylinder and these security safety measures. Kerosene is something that every other person can, it doesn't require rocket science in some quarters to use. And a lot of people have been using kerosene. It's something that can easily be bought and sold because there are a lot of high demand for it. So you can now understand why a lot of persons are adulterating it, and adulterating it at the expense of lives and property, just because of a few naira. That thing that is affecting you is affecting the common man out there. That lack of money they are looking for, that money you are looking for, other people are looking for it. It's so unfair, putting the lives of Nigerians on the line just because of greed. And now we have son that ought to be doing due diligence. There's the DPK and the DPL, that's the Department of Petroleum, resources, that these guys that actually should be in charge of both approval, licensing, and also ensuring that some of these stations and these products are high standards. They are not even available. They just do their thing, they go. The level of impunity in Nigeria is not, this one does has nothing to do with President Buhari again. It has something to do with you and I. In our domain, in our closet, how genuine, how are we people of integrity? Can we leave it genuinely to do a project and you make it done? Can you, now you're selling products? You have, so I thought there was a time it became so rampant in Nigeria where that they will have to put camphor in all these black market sellers. It will rise it, and it is dangerous to your vehicle if you use that kind of thing, or it will knock it with time. You now begin to wonder, how did we get, is it President Buhari too that came down from Aso Villa to teach you people how to do all these things? Come on, let's be real. Nigerians, we ourselves, we're a problem of our own self. Until we have within our own closet, if you want to say let us begin to pick each and every one of us in our crime rate, very few Nigerians will remain, very few Nigerians will not go to jail. And it's that bad. We see our genuine ones out there. I celebrate you when you're genuine. I honestly will celebrate as many Nigerians out there doing legit and honest hustle. But please, for the sake of others, don't, because of your greed, and cause other Nigerians in trouble. Let's go wrap it up.